Are you struggling with constant hair shedding and itchy scalp? Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple natural remedy using guava leaf. This is cold pressed oil that is packed with nutrients that can help to strengthen your hair roots, suit your scalp right from your kitchen. So let's make this guava leaf oil. I'm going to be making use of guava leaf. You can decide to use the fresh guava leaf or guava powder. So here is my guava leaf. The guava leaf to avoid contaminating the oil. So you need to leave the guava leaf to dry properly. Avoid adding excess water into the oil. You can decide to pan it dry with paper towel. So with a paper towel, I'm going to pan it dry to remove any extra water from the leaf. Decide to cut the leaf into smaller pieces or crush it or pound it. You can decide to grate. You can decide to grind or pound the guava leaf into a paste. So I'm going to use the mortar to pound the guava leaf. Okay, when I'm done pounding, I'm going to add the guava paste into a jar. Add oil, enough oil, the guava leaf. So into the jar, I'm going to be adding the paste. You can add any oil of your choice. I'll be using grapeseed oil. So I'm going to add enough oil to cover the guava leaf. You can leave this to infuse for some weeks, or you can decide to use the double boiler method to quickly infuse the guava leaf. So I'm going to be using the double boiler method of water and leave it to boil for about 30 minutes or more. During this process, the nutrient from the guava leaf will extract into the oil. So when I notice that the nutrient have entered into the oil, I'm going to remove from the heat and allow to cool before I will strain to get the oil. So guava leaf have a lot of benefits for the skin and hair. You can use guava leaf oil to support scalp health, reduce dandruff and strengthen your hair roots. Use the guava leaf to massage into your scalp. At least use it for 2 to 3 times a week and leave it to sit for about 30 minutes or overnight before you wash. Or you can use this as a hot oil treatment, warm slightly and use as a deep conditioner treatment for hair. Apply a small amount of this on a clean skin as a light oil treatment. It will help to cleanse, soothe and provide light moisture when mixed with carrier oils. Please always do a parchment test before use. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let me know if you have tried guava leaf oil before.